Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can access cPanel through HostGator, so let's get right into it. Now, this does have two methods. One of them is via the customer portal, and the other is via URL. The customer portal is a bit more intuitive since it uses a GUI or graphics user interface, and using the URL is a bit of a faster method, but I'll cover both. Now, to access it through the customer portal, you just need to log into the customer portal and click on hosting to the left. Then if you have a single hosting package, just scroll down to the quick link section, and if you have multiple, locate the hosting package you want, and then just click the manage button next to it. Then under quick links, just go into the cPanel section, and that is pretty much it. Now via the website tab, you can go into websites, and under the websites page, locate the cPanel or the page whose cPanel you want to access. Then click on settings. Then you'll be redirected here, and then you'll find quick links under the overview tab. You should go into the advanced tab, and over here you'll see several sections of the cPanel. Click manage to be redirected to a specific cPanel section right away. And that is pretty much it. But if you want to be redirected to the homepage, scroll down and locate cPanel, which is this tab right over here. Click manage, and that should be it. Now, via the URL, you can use either your server's IP address, the server host name, or the domain name. And to access it, all you need to do is type in https://, use https as a secure protocol. Then type in the email or the IP address and add :2083, which is the port for cPanel. You can do the same, just substitute the IP address with either the server host name or the domain name of your website, and just add the :2083, log into cPanel with your username and password, and that should be pretty much it. That's pretty much how you access cPanel through HostGator, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.